Dear students of BSc Part 2 and respected listener, a very good morning and welcome all of you to today's lecture. Dear students, I will deliver today a very special lecture titled as Third Law of Thermodynamics, which actually has been selected from BSc Part 2, Paper 3, Physical Chemistry, selected from Unit 2nd, title as that is of Thermodynamics 2nd. Dear students, it becomes essential to know the total number of thermodynamics laws existing in thermodynamically field. My questions to you, dear students, how many total laws of thermodynamics existing? I think all the students are confused. Some students respond to me total laws of thermodynamics 2. Some students respond to me 3. Some students respond to me that is 4. Students get totally confused about the total number of thermodynamics law. Dear students, now may I request to you the exact answer, the correct answer, total number of laws of thermodynamics, that is the 4th law. First, that is the first law, that is of point number 1, that is the first law of thermodynamics, which is mainly concerned the principle of conservation of energy. Energy cannot be destroyed, but energy can be converted from one form to the another one equal form, which is the mathematical form delta Q is equals to du plus delta W. It is mainly concerned the principle of conservation of energy. Second law, that is of to define as that is of entropy, mathematical formula. In our previous lecture we have defined and we have derived ds is equals to delta Q reversible upon T. Total 2 laws, first law, second law. Now that is of third law I am going to deliver today, that is the third law of TD. Fourth law in advance I am expressing here, I state here, that is known as that is of zeroth law, which is mainly concerned the degree of disorders. I meant to define that is of temperature. Thus total 4 thermodynamics law existing in the environment of thermodynamics. Once again, first law mainly concerned with the principle of conservation of energy. Second law is mainly concerned with that is of entropy of the universe continuously increases here. Third law I will deliver today. Fourth law in advance I am delivering here, that is of zeroth law, which is mainly concerned the degree of disorderness, that is of temperature. Now I express some important basic conceptual postulates of third law of thermodynamics here. Dear students, third law of thermodynamics just reverse and reciprocal of second law of TD. According to second law of thermodynamics, the entropy of the universe. Entropy means that is of indiscipline. Entropy means that is of degree of disorderness continuously increasing of the universe here. But when we apply very special condition, we in reactants in overall thermodynamical state variable and state variables. Suppose we are using here in specific condition here, I mean to say, according to that is the third law of thermodynamics, when we are using absolutely pure, perfectly solid substances to convert at a constant pressure to change from one state to the another one state, the change in entropy becomes equals to 0. In the case of second law of thermodynamics, for normal form, the entropy degree of disorderness of the universe continuously increases here. But when we apply it to important condition here, first one that is of absolute 0 temperature, second one we are using here perfectly solid substances here. In this case, the entropy becomes equals to 0. I think everything will be totally ordered. Disorderness would be totally finished here. Let us try to understand here a very specific example in which I am using here. I am taking here a substance in the form of reactant to convert into the form of product as that is solid to solid. Keeping pressure as a constant here to jump the temperature from 0 Kelvin to that is of T temperature Kelvin, using that is of Maxwell in 1913 fundamental equation, change in entropy del S is the less of St minus S0. Dear St minus S0 is equal to 0 to T Cp upon T dt. Dear student, Cp that is the heat capacity at constant pressure. 3 types of the entropy existing in equation number 1. Dear student, here that is of del S, change in entropy. 2 types of the entropy, S0 and St. S0, you know, here I mentioned on the blackboard here, zero entropy. S0 is known as zero entropy. ST, third law of entropy. According to Max Planck, that is of 1913, the value of H0 is equals to 0. Final equation del S is equals to ST is equals to 0 to T. Cp upon T dt, third law. It is known as mathematical equation of third law of TD. Once again, mathematical equation of first law of TD, delta Q is equals to du plus delta W. Mathematical equation of thermodynamics, second law, ds is equals to delta Q reversible upon T. And next one, that is a mathematical equation of third law of TD, to be expressed as ST is equals to 0 to T Cp upon T dt. S0, zero entropy. ST, absolute entropy. Del S, that is of absolute, del S, change in entropy for both ST and S0. ST, and that is of S0. The value of S0, 1 can x1, that is of 0 here. Dear student, in coming timing, we will deliver the numerical based on that is of third law of thermodynamics. Thank you very much.